Everybody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. I can't sing, but that doesn't matter. My birthday. That's what really matters. My birthday. So why y'all still watching here? Come on. Let's get into it.
Girl, you want me up when the night cold. Your pussy magical, you do something to my soul. You're pretty and you're bad and you a right ball. Deep throat, it a kid and make me guide roll. Like pole down up in your right hole. Me like scroll and see up on me iPhone. She send me a pussy picture, me go right home. Lock it up like stone. Your pussy feel like gold. Like gold. Like gold. Like gold. Baby, dame un kiss. Tú eres para mí. ¿Cómo lo haces así? Te veo por aquí. Baby, dame amor. A la mierda todo tú no. Sírveme otro vaso de alcohol. Mientras nos besamos los dos. Baby, dame un kiss. Tú eres para mí. ¿Cómo lo haces así? Te veo por aquí. Baby, dame amor. A la mierda todo tú no. Sírveme otro vaso de alcohol. Mientras nos besamos los dos. Baby, dame un kiss. Tú eres para mí. ¿Cómo lo haces así? Te veo por aquí. Baby, dame amor. A la mierda todo tú no. Sírveme otro vaso de alcohol. Mientras nos besamos los dos. Tú eres para mí. ¿Cómo lo haces así? Te veo por aquí. Baby, dame amor. A la mierda todo tú no. Sírveme otro vaso de alcohol. Mientras nos besamos los dos.
Hey guys, I ain't gonna talk to y'all all day because I had school this morning, and right after school I literally went straight into my wax appointment, which is where y'all probably see the beginning half of the video. And then I got my wax, and then on top of that I got my nails done today. But this entire vlog is basically just gonna be a prep to my birthday, because my birthday is on Monday, if y'all do not know that. So go ahead in the comments and say happy birthday, Liv, because happy birthday to me. Big Taurus. Y'all already see what it says on the nails. Taurus. Y'all go ahead, nail by Kai. I'll put her description link in the bio below. But I wanted to show y'all my little nails and my quick little come get ready with me. Tomorrow I'm finna get my hair done. And I'm finna do something else tomorrow. I can't tell. But I'm finna go get my Brianna. I don't know if y'all be watching her, but I be watching her. She's really funny. I like her vlogs. But I'm watching her little Miami vlog. But I'm over here because I had to get some stuff from my trip at CVS. So I'm about to show y'all my little CVS haul. So I went ahead and show y'all what I got from CVS. So first things first is a beauty blender. Well, it's actually called Real Techniques. That's the actual brand, but it's a makeup sponge. I had to get me one of these with a little angle on it, because I'm gonna explain why I got this. Then I went ahead and got me another lip gloss from NYX. It's called Bit of Honey. I seen this on a Pinterest post, and I really like the lip look that it gives. Like, as y'all can see, it's like pink, and I need a pink. I just needed a pink gloss. Like, I just needed a pink gloss, to be honest with y'all. And then this is what I really went in here for. I went to go get this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. It's just a face powder. I needed one, and it's in the shade 25 in medium mauve. Yeah, medium. Which I really, like I said, I really needed one of these anyway. And then the last thing I went ahead and got was this cute little anklet. I don't know if y'all could see it. Ooh. Can y'all see it? Yeah, but it's super cute. Like, I really like it. Like, it's mad cute, y'all. And I needed something silver because I already have a gold anklet from like a long time ago, and it's still cute, but I don't have a gold chain. Like, my gold chain burst like years ago, and I never fix it. And I'm not really a gold person. Like, I like silver. My birthstone is a diamond. So just giving y'all a little hint if y'all want to know what y'all to get me for my birthday. But I like silver, so I just figured, why not pick these up so I can match my silver jewelry? Because I always got on silver. Like, I always have on. All my piercings is silver. I always have on silver, so something to just match it. And that's really it. That is all I got from CVS. I'm gonna go get my hair done tomorrow, and then I'm gonna get my lashes done tomorrow. And then the only thing I'll be mending is my toes, but I haven't found somebody that does toes really good here. And the people that do toes up here, like, it be lasting like 30 seconds, for real. So I'm gonna get my toes done when I go back home. And I'll be telling y'all, like, I don't know what the nail techs back home be doing, but when they do your toes, them should be lasting for like 7 years. Like, they really last long. So I'm gonna get my toes done on Sunday. I actually gotta call them and schedule an appointment because I know they do walk-ins, but I got somewhere to be on Sunday, which y'all gonna see obviously in another vlog. But I'm gonna get my toes done on Sunday, which probably not gonna be in this vlog. So the only thing y'all get to see is my wax appointment, my nails. I love them so much. But my nails and my hair and my lashes, that's it. So y'all, I'm about to go get my lashes done. I really gotta talk when I was getting my hair done because it was early. Y'all see my lashes? Let's give the girls a little volume, a little. Yeah, just a little bit under my bottoms. It's literally 3 a.m. in the morning. Your girl just woke up. I took like a 6-hour nap, not gonna lie to you. I came home, I lay down in my bed, and I went to sleep because I was like, girl, we got a 7 a.m. flight. Like, we just gonna take this 6-hour nap, wake up, get ready, pack. I haven't even finished packing. Like, I have all my outfits and stuff together, which y'all gonna watch. It's gonna be a little time lapse of me putting my little shing together. But I gotta finish pack. I gotta fold the rest of my clothes that I know I'm taking, and the stuff that I'm not, I'm probably just gonna leave it folded on my bed until I get back and I put that shit up. But it's 3 a.m. I got a 7 a.m. flight. Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Mad excited, y'all. Like, I can't even explain to y'all why I'm so excited, because at the end of the day, this is a big stepping stone for me. This is a whole new decade for me. This is a whole new era, and I'm super thankful that I'm starting my YouTube channel right in the new decade. Y'all see how the universe is just aligning things together, and yeah, like, I like that. I just really like it for me. I love it for y'all. I can't wait to see what we have going on in this decade, this new era, this new time. Like, your 20s are supposed to be like the best time of your life. People really like love their 20s, and some people hate their 20s because they waste their 20s doing nothing. But your girl is not finna waste her 20s doing nothing. Y'all gonna see everything I do in my 20s, and y'all gonna love it. And then we're gonna go into the next decade, and the next, and the next, and the next. We just gonna go into the decades with each other, and I love that for us. So yeah. Like, I'm so excited. Like, I can't explain to y'all. I'm going home. I'm gonna be here for carnival. I'm gonna be there for my birthday. Like, it's gonna be so lit. Like, I'm so excited. I could ramble about it all day long. I take my birthday so seriously. Like, it is up on my list of priorities. Like, school is up here, my job, my career, and then my birthdays on that list with priorities. Like, I take that so seriously. Like, you know, I have goals in life, and my birthday is always a part of my goals. Like, every year you are stepping into your new year. Like, this is your new year, so you always have to make sure you celebrate it to the fullest. Like, don't let nobody fool you. And people that don't like celebrating their birthday, don't do it for other people. Just literally called me, and it just stopped my whole flow. It stopped my whole motion of what I was telling y'all. But I take birthdays very seriously. My mom always had us celebrate our birthdays since since a little girl. I've always celebrated my birthday every year since I was born. My mom celebrates her birthday, my brother, and my dad don't really care to. But a lot of people where I'm from, like, we take birthdays like it's a holiday, because it is. And it's the crazy thing about where I'm from is, like,
we celebrate other people's birthday like just as big as we celebrate our birthday. We just take birthdays really heavy. So I'm just excited to bring y'all on this birthday journey with me because we turning up. It's a new decade, new era. Yeah, let's get lit. Fall in love again. Got all my clothes packed up. This is about like 14 outfits just for this is all for carnival. This side gonna be like my shoes and stuff. I got some shoes there and I got some more in my closet. I'm just folding up all these clothes, trying to get them together. And yeah, when I'm done, popcorn. Ooh, I hope that is not just y'all see that. But yeah, I'm finna just wrap all my stuff together and then close the suitcase up, and then I'm gonna take like a 30-minute, if I have time, 30-minute nap, and then yeah, I'm finna see y'all after. I hope you guys enjoyed me just getting myself together and prepping for this trip. It's more like a little visual diary, me prepping, because like I said, I didn't really talk a lot majority of the time. It was literally in between like a 2-day span of me just throwing everything together so I could get ready for my trip. But yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed the little visual diary, and I'll see y'all in the real vlog that's coming up next. Bye.